days I'm hiding from you. Ooh, I'm thinking it's the no, that it's the. I'm thinking it's the bad.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Cicely Cherie, and welcome back to CC World. The kids are in. We eating leftover spaghetti, so I hope you go watch our little ratchet little mukbang eating spaghetti. And we got leftovers, huh? So we believe in eating leftovers here. We got a family of 5. See, once again on my glass plates. Hate doing paper plates, but my husband love it. My husband here, he doing, I think he doing wings. We got spaghetti, but he get to have wings, y'all. Look, hope this steam don't. Ooh, I think I just wasted some grease. But anywho, the kids over here eating their spaghetti, and my daughter look in her room because she don't work no more because she's tired with the school. Well, she's a hard worker, so she has work ethic. She's good. Just she got to focus on her senior year. There's no sense to make it to your senior year then flunk out. She be having a lot of projects. Like the other weekend, she had 3 projects due over the week. We had to do over the weekend because it was due that Monday. And with her going straight to work when she get out of school at 3:15 and getting off after 9, yeah, working 6 days a week. A 17-year-old been doing this since she was 16. That was too much. I want her to enjoy her senior year, have fun like a teenager, because you can't get those days back when you get older and grown and really have to work for real. So she's enjoying it. So she back to her room relaxing. She got practice tonight at 8 o'clock. So she can get herself out for school, study, do her work, nap, all of that. So she'll be good. But I finna eat my spaghetti. Y'all can, let's talk. Let's talk about life, huh? I did that yesterday. Yeah. So, excuse me, y'all. I got my little thing on. I'm gonna see if I can set it up here. One of my kids gave me this for Christmas. I want to say last year. I lost the thing, but what you can do is just tie it up like this. Like this, and it got pockets too. Look, ooh, I got pockets. Ooh, being around the world, yeah. I can't find my baby. I don't know, and I don't know why. Why he's gone away, and I don't know where he can be, my baby. But I'm gonna find.
I love you.
All right, move.
I got 8 on my food. That's how I got my dad.
All right. Well, it's something in my mouth. But anywho, y'all. Let me get around. I ain't gonna wash my hands. This crazy. To me, I don't want to go around the sink to wash my hands. So I'm on this side right here. These kids know they got to do their chores. Yes. They chores. Let me dry my hand. Key, what are you doing? Get on that. Dry my hands off. And these kids got to do the chores. My daughter put to do these dishes and whatnot. So let's talk. I know I did a mukbang yesterday. It was a ratchet one, but we did it. You finished? Huh? Wash your hand and clean your mouth because you look a hot mess. Get your soap. Here go the soap. Leave that there. Nope, put it right there, son. I'll do it, Got my little Bath and Body Works soap dispenser. Cute, ain't it? Wipe your mouth. Yeah. Use that. Wipe your mouth. You don't have to wait to squeeze it out. Squeeze it out good. Let me help you. Give it here. Wipe your mouth. Okay. Put it in there. Thank you. I'll get your bowl. Put it. Thank you, son. Good. All right, but my husband cooking himself some wings. He got his headphones on. That's why y'all don't hear his mouth. Listen to get Kevin Gates or Lil Wayne, one of them. I got to sneeze. Bless me. So, hurry up, y'all. Come on out. Hey, can you pass me the water? Thank you.
You need some more spaghetti? Oh.
No. Thank you, baby. Nothing gonna read. That is some apple in her Kindle.
I didn't know that.
Something timetable and find something to read before you start playing games, okay? Thank you. King, come on out that bathroom. And caught the light, shut the door. But my husband, what kind of flavor wings you cooking, baby?
Chipotle and beef. Shit, my stomach hurts.
Chipotle and lemon pepper you making, y'all. Yes. But we're just chilling. Doing this, my husband cooking the wing. Everybody resting. Kids on their Kindle. King already practiced writing his name. He do that every day, and then he had to practice writing the letter G, the lowercase G and the capital G. So we already did that.
What you sad for, son?
Because I want to find with daddy. Because we'll be funny. I want you, daddy.
Okay. Anywho. My husband do got a plate sale going on October the 13th. If you hear where we live at, he having a plate sale, not your plate sale. If you in our surrounding area, make sure come by and get your plate, $10. Yes, that's October the 13th. It's gonna be amazing. I think I showed y'all a picture. And you can cash out the money. I think I got that on the flyer. I put it in, I add that clip with the information on the flyer in the video. This spaghetti is good. Even better after it sat. So. Baby, you gonna let me taste some wings?
You eat spaghetti?
You heard my husband. I asked my husband, can I taste one of his wings? That's what he said. You eating spaghetti. That's fine. And that's why his stomach hurt too. I know my dog was asleep. Jay, make sure you get that off, okay? Look at my dog. Jay, say what's up to YouTube. She on her phone. I'm about to steal her candle, y'all, because she hadn't even lit her candle yet. And I'm about to take it. And Jay, don't forget that too.
I didn't know we had a lighter.
Yes. See her candle I got to match her room? I'm about to light it up. Jay, and that, what you got going on?
I don't know what it is. I really don't care.
Okay, but you got to get it though, okay? Oh, before practice, okay? Oh. But anyway, it's best to turn this up that way. I have to. That's disgusting. I don't know what that was, but I'm gonna turn your blinds up this way, Jay. That's the best way to have it. All right, Jay, I just had to come here and mess with you. I'll shut you down. Okay, I don't know what that was, but anyway. Wait a minute. Anywho. Wait a minute. What was that? King, come get this up. Javante, y'all come straighten up your room.
Huh?
Y'all go make up your bed.
Yo, why did you go there?
Yeah, Javante too. And get that mark off the floor or something. Okay, I'm back.
I knew it was him.
It's quiet in the house right now.
He just be mad, House.
It's real quiet in the house, right?
Do what?
It's quiet in the house now.
What you mean?
It's not loud like it was yesterday. Everybody don't here remember, right? When my husband was being funny. A little chunky over there. Hey, we going to the gym next month. I mean this month, right? And my husband signed up for the gym. Planet Fitness, here we come. I know on the weekend my husband gonna want to go at night. Right, baby? I said I know on the weekends you're gonna want to go at night, right? To the gym. Right?
Mm-hmm.
You hear that noise? He's making wings, he's shaking it up. This little thing he do.
You gonna eat beef with me?
Mm.
No hell you want?
Can I show them? This is my husband wings he just made. The best.
There's a little bit more. Nobody see
They make the best wing. I'm telling y'all, this is what he do. So if you want some wings, just put your order in for that too. But we gotta have enough order.
The King's Catering.
The King's Catering.
DAKING Catering.
So if you want some order wings, just we have enough order place and back home where we from, we'll bring it or cook it there. But we got to get enough order ins in order to deliver there. And it make no sense to make that trip and one person order something. It got to be worth it. You know what I'm saying? Or here where we stay at. So if you want some wings, he make the best wing, all flavor, right, baby? Get at me, comment down below, DM me on my Snapchat, Instagram. Y'all already know it.
Lemon pepper chipotle. You need to get the light, because they look funny like that. They be saying, what kind of wing he got?
Well, baby, I'm over here. We need to go in the room then.
There we go.
I say they seen it. They know it look good.
It's lemon pepper sprinkled with chipotle season, because I like my lemon pepper spicy.
You get you no water. And guess what? You don't need no ranch or blue cheese. I mean, who don't like it? He like ranch, I like blue cheese. But the point is, it's so good that you don't need it. And trust me and the kids are his food critic. So we'll let him know yay or nay, but he always gets it right. So it's always yay. He all at the trash can eating it, y'all.
They don't be telling my business.
How is that your business at the trash can eating it?
I don't you stay out my plate.
Y'all. So good. I don't think I understand. It's the bomb. I think next time he said he want to do nachos and wings, baby. Like nachos and 6 wings. He's drinking his water now.
Nope. We doing nachos next week. The week after that, we're gonna do the wings, fries, something else, probably a soda or something.
For how much? And how many wings?
10 wings, fries, a soda. Maybe a little Debbie cake or something.
Sorry, y'all, we got quiet. Was it good? Make sure y'all comment down below what video you want me to do. Comment down below. Say, hey, CC, I want you to do this. CC, talk about this. CC, a Q&A. But if I do a Q&A, y'all got to ask the questions and I answer it on YouTube. So, just the same on The Walkers. Make sure you go subscribe. You might have to type in The Walkers, our new couple channel. Because like I said, now we uploaded a video last night. So now we got 5 videos. But we don't have enough video for it to just pop up. But you'll see a picture of our wedding. Me and him together. So The Walkers, go ahead and comment down below on that page too what you want us married couple to talk about or do, or challenges, whatever, even pranks.
I'm gonna need you to eat them spaghetti. Stay up out of my food.
He's being mean, y'all.
No, I couldn't eat because spaghetti hurt my stomach.
He said spaghetti hurt his stomach. Yeah, you're gonna eat. good. All right, now I'm finna go. I'm finna, I know we talking about there. Get that sauce. What's good? All right, y'all, we'll be back. All right, baby.
Yep.
You listen to Kevin Gates, but check out the Walkers, okay? And make sure you subscribe to CC World. Make sure you hit the like button, give this video 2 thumbs up, and make sure you hit the little bell so anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. All right, subscribe to CC World. Bye.